Hi everyone, this is Kathleen and I wanted to share with you Dandelion Bouquets. I'm putting this down in a Recollections planner. The kit is available also for happy planners, and I have a little TN kit that makes the full boxes square, and I also have it for Leafy Treetop Planners. I think it is so precious, and it's the perfect Mother's Day kit because who doesn't love it when your little one brings you a bouquet of dandelions, and they're so certain that they are as grand as roses and are going to last all week. And just like the dandelions, your little ones don't last all week either. It seems like you blink and they're off to college and out the door starting their own lives, and so it seemed like the perfect flower for celebrating Mother's Day. Of course, you can modify the kit as you want if Mother's Day isn't your thing, but for those of us who've gotten to experience that wonderful time, I hope that this brings back some sweet memories. And for those of you in the thick of it with the little tiny ones, I hope it helps you treasure your here and now. Thanks so much for watching.